good, fam? We are back. It is Saturday. I forgot to vlog everything I did this morning, but all I did was get up and I edited a video, so that was pretty boring. And we got quite a few errands to run, but I'm gonna show y'all the, if y'all didn't see it yet, I'm gonna show y'all the, hey Wally, hello, say hello, say hello. It's your fault. Yeah, did y'all see that? Yes, I think you guys saw that. I'm gonna show y'all the laundry room. We do have one more cabinet to put up. My husband's waiting for the hinges to dry because it drilled through the holes right here. This here, he drilled through and it kind of went through. So he's repairing it and he's gonna get that put up. But honey, I got a whole new laundry room, my dear. And then he did this side over here. So that's what we're gonna go out and do, run errands so I can do my part, which is decorated. This was in my bathroom. I did not like it in my bathroom. So we pulled it out of the bathroom and put it in here. And I think it's perfect for it here, not the bathroom. See, color scheme, color coordinates perfectly. Perfectly. Yes. All right, y'all, we have made it to the thrift store. Y'all know we are avid thrifters. There's some nice leathers in here today, but I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see, not just me.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
I wanted to come to the thrift store because I didn't want to pay full price for glass containers that hold stuff. We did buy, not got, I'm trying to take that word out of my vocabulary. Woo, we did buy a glass container. I did find a glass container for the powder detergent, for the pods, for the washer, every month washing containers. So like if they're sitting out, it kind of reminds you that you need to do it, which is what I was going for, not trying to put everything up. And then I found a container for the borax. So we'll sit those things out. One container that I really want to look for is one for the wool balls so that my children will stop taking it and leave it in their laundry basket and we can put it back into the little container bin. I'm gonna have to order a trash bin that is to my husband's liking because he doesn't like the little plastic one that I have, or maybe we can draw on the one that we have. I don't know. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby because I need some more labels. Oh, I gotta find contact paper, honey, because the contact paper I sent it back because it was not sticky. A laundry basket. What did I say? Hobby Lobby? Maybe At Home. I don't want to get lost in At Home. When I get lost in At Home, we need to eat first and then go to At Home. But that At Home always busy over here. Oh, the pumpkins are about to start coming out. I can feel it. I can feel it. I'm passing Tom Thumb and they got their whole front just empty. That means they're getting ready to put out fall. I can feel it. I'm ready for fall though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready for my husband to start pulling down the fall decorations. I'm ready for my husband to start pulling down all the fall decorations. Ain't that right, honey? See how you trying to ignore me? Babe, tell her what you just did. Explain it.
So, this is $6.99 for the meal. And I'm thinking it's a meal, but it's not a meal because you don't get no fries. And so I added $1 fry.
And took off the 2 fries. It was $28.
So it's $9.99 versus $6.99.
It was $28
That's $3
total.
per fry. That's
now
too much money.
It is $25.
That's
and,
for the tax.
And I don't have a fry.
You got those wings.
Yeah, but I don't have a fry now.
But you said you didn't want no wings.
I don't want no fry because I got wings. But I'm just saying, like, I could have gave up wings to one of the kids. These normally are really good, but this presentation tells you otherwise. So I'm gonna taste it and see what it tastes like. I should do a Keith Lee review because, baby, this don't look like it's like the first time I had it. I'm just saying. So I had to go get my chicken redone because it was not warm or hot in the inside at all. So they recooked it. So let's see what we have. Oh, that looks better, don't it, y'all? Can you see the smoke coming off that bad boy? Yeah, feels so much better. Yeah, now that's fresh chicken. That is fresh chicken right there. When I say this is better, this is so much better. Oh my gosh. It is hot. Got my mouth on fire. Home Goods. That's what we going Home Goods next, y'all. All right, let me eat.
It's not a game. It's a rich thing.
found a basket, y'all. It's perfect for what we were talking about. And it says laundry on it, but it's 2. So we're trying to measure it to make sure that it will fit. Now I got my honey here. He told me what is good to G to G. We are G to G, so alright. Alright, y'all, so we leaving Home Goods, and I thought I was gonna be able to find more in there, but really all I found was a basket. That was it. And I'm cool with that because I'd rather be solid on my decisions and knowing what I want than just to be buying stuff just to buy stuff. And then I don't like it later on and then I get rid of it or just to have it. So we both definitely wanted the basket. Anything else we picked up, we decided not to get it. So on to Hobby Lobby to grab some labels real quick. And then we're going home to try to get some of this project done. Well, close enough to done, I'm gonna say, because me and my baby was talking about it. We just agreed that this will be a process, and I'm gonna look at some more Pinterest stuff. We gotta go put up what we have, kind of see if it fits in the space and kind of see what the space looks like, and just make sure that the arrangement is arranging right and it looks nice, because at the end of the day, my baby ain't do all that work for it to look like a cluster of things. All right. Oh, babe, you know what I'm about? Do I want to do bins inside of the cabinets? But I kind of almost feel like that's kind of intuitive, because we got the cabinet space to keep things just neat, organized. Then am I organizing the organized? Like, am I organizing inside the cabinet space?
I think you should do bins.
Think I should do smaller bins? Then I should have been looking for them in there, because that's the best place. That would have been a better place to get them. I wasn't even thinking in that manner. Like, see, I can't think in there. I have to have what I'm looking for before I go inside at home, because I'm like a little squirrel. I get distracted and just go about my business. But whoa. Ooh, I'm gonna put on my seat belt now. Oh my God, Hobby Lobby. Ooh, it is hot out here in Texas. On our way to Hobby Lobby. 40% off. Ooh, babe, home decor, 75% off. Things, ooh. Let me show y'all what it looks like in here. In so long, because I did not know they had a laundry section, and clearly they do. So I just got some laundry balls, and I'm probably gonna get one of these scoops so that I can have it for the you know what I'm trying to say, the clear that I bought earlier. But I hope this is big enough. See, I got this and this, I think. See, so I hate buying mixed match stuff. Okay, Leandra, don't be so indecisive. Just get things and go. And then when we were looking for the signs, this is why we could not find the signs, is because they moved them to a laundry section. When you don't shop outside your house for a very long time, this is what happens. This has been me. I normally hit the Amazon Prime button and I go, honey. Well, y'all finally get to see the basket before we actually make it to the laundry room. Things are looking pretty black and white here, but I promise you, y'all seen the color in there, so y'all already know. Y'all already know what's going on. All right. I am truly having a hard time walking away from all of the fall decor. Oh my God, football. Fall is when football comes, and I want this cup. A fall definitely means football. Y'all can tell me who y'all think this is. Child, look at this. They got the Dr. Seuss Christmas tree out, so if y'all ready for it, go for it, girl. Well, that is all, folks. I think we are good to go. I managed to get out of here unscathed without any fall stuff in my bag. Not even an air freshener. All right, y'all, I'm going to Uptown Cheapskate. Okay, I did a video on, or I did like a little reel on this exact Uptown Cheapskate when it first opened, and I haven't been over here since. But what it is just recent clothes that are used, and people just bring them in and you just buy them. So I'm gonna do a little shopping and retail therapy. I'm gonna do a little retail therapy, and then I'm gonna get out of here. probably about an hour shopping. I thought I picked up so much stuff that I could actually fit. And y'all saw I tried on most of it. Well, I tried on a lot of it, except for 2 pieces. Some of the stuff I just couldn't get in. I was like, nope. This is all I ended up with. Y'all, I bought this for it's not for coffee. It is for the powder laundry detergent. I'm not sure if I like it though. I'm gonna have Terrence paint the top black. Or I'll spray paint it black, it doesn't matter. This is what I bought for the pods. This is what came from the thrift store. Hey, happy Sunday. Clearly, I forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging today. And we have done a couple of errands already today that I forgot to show you guys, but I'll pop up here. We went into Ross. I found a couple items since I couldn't find anything yesterday. I did find some things, and today we're getting ready to go over to DSW. We just left WSS Day. WSS, and now we're getting ready to go over to DSW to try to find some shoes. I forgot to end my vlog yesterday and let you guys see what we had done or how far we had completed the laundry room, but I will tell you this, it's nice. So when we get home, we're gonna show it to you, and we love it. And that is kind of like, I guess, the ultimate end state is that we love it, right? We both love it, not just me, we love it. And I was telling my husband just how magnificent he is when I tell you to have somebody take a thought and just bring it to life. And he has done that in so many different areas of our house, and it is just, I don't know, it's wonderful. I'm a creative mind, and he does everything else to just, I don't know, just put it on the paper. Amazing boss. He amazes me every day. I love him so much. I appreciate him so much. I appreciate you, honey. Hey. All right, so enough of that. We'll get to DSW, and then we will get home, and then we'll holla.
I'm about to turn it up a notch. I'm like, baby, we can go right to the spot. Chill with me tonight. Baby, come enjoy some me tonight. I'm about to turn it up a notch. I'm like, baby, we can go right to the spot. Chill with me tonight. Baby, come enjoy some me tonight. I'm to turn it up. Turn it up. Enjoy some me tonight. Yeah, come enjoy some me tonight. Right now.
Y'all saw my choices, and I did get 2 pair of shoes. I got the New Balance when we first walked in, and I got the Dr. Scholl's. Didn't get the ones with the green on the back. We ended up finding some neutral, like tan pair that apparently were TikTok famous. I don't know. I don't even think those were the exact ones. We was just gonna order the ones that were, but I found those worked. That's all I needed. 1 pair of tan ones. I don't need no all that extra. So they were comfortable. We're gonna work these out. We're gonna try these, and we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully everything works well. On to the laundry room. Bye, DSW. That is weekend number 2. I'm getting ready to go crash out. So I will check y'all next weekend. Bye-bye.